Hey, what's going on, guys? Broke Investor back, making another video. Finally, I know, I say that every damn time, but gonna change it up a little. This video is just gonna focus on my portfolio, and I'm basically just gonna provide you a status as of August, month end August. Although as of right now, we're still in the month of August, but I'm done tracking my dividends along with everything else. So I kind of closed out the month of August. So I just wanted to show you guys where I'm at and also, how I track my goals, etc. So let's get right to it. Hopefully you guys can see the chalkboard. So I figured I'd just lay out, as I mentioned, we're in August of 2019. I just laid out 2019 in general and where I came from. As you can see, I put January all the way down to August. So each and every month, I have a goal, and that goal is based on the prior month. So my goals are specifically about dividends. So for the month of January, I had a goal of $33.72. So I had to make that in dividends. My actual goal was $33.94. So, January, obviously, it was a good month. I made the goal. So, as I mentioned, my goals are month to month. So, the February goal, and every goal for at least 2019 is a 9%, as mentioned down here, 9% increase from the prior month. So, I need to increase my dividend income 9% more than I did for what I ended in January. So my February goal was $36.99. As you can see, I got $34.12. So that was obviously a fail. So I did not achieve that goal. The following month, it was 9% of the actual for February, and that was $37.19. Obviously, I achieved it in March, etc. So you get the gist. All the way down to July, where I failed again. But we're talking about the month of August. So my August goal was $58.01 in dividends for the month, and I got $58.19. So I beat it by 8 cents. Whoopie-doo. That being said, as I mentioned, my August goal, and the amount I got for August was $58.19. And yes, you may be wondering, all right, what dividends make up that? Because that's one of the famous questions I get. What is your portfolio made of? Who's paying you these dividends? So for the month of August, I'm giving you, the top 5 contributors, and in order. Number 1 was AT&T. So their quarterly dividend, they paid me $10.20. That was my highest dividend for that month. APLE, Apple Hospitality. No, not Apple, the tech company. Apple Hospitality. They are a monthly paying dividend, and they paid me $9 for August. CLM, Cornerstone Mutual. This is a riskier stock. It's also a monthly paying dividend. Very high yield. I would not advise jumping into this stock, but they paid me $8.83. Next stock is Pets, 1-800-PET-MEDS. Quarterly dividend, they paid me $8.10. Next is AbbVie, ABBV, $6.42. That was actually the first dividend I got from AbbVie, because they, as many of you know, they dropped down recently, and I figured I'd jump into it, and it was worth it. It was a good starting yield for a good company. So those are the majority, the major payers for the month of August. And as I mentioned, Pets, AbbVie, they're quarterly, so typically, they'll be higher based on the value of the stocks, and these are monthly. So APLE and CLM are monthly. My inception to date dividends are $562.82. Although I don't really look or care about that number, I actually just, I looked at it today and I added it up. I figured it's worth mentioning. And something else, is the September goal. So as I mentioned, my August dividend income was $58.19. 9% more than that is $63.43. Where did I get the 9% number? Basically, I had started with 10%. It was very easy to beat the goal every month because obviously my dividend income was small. So 10% of nothing is nothing. Obviously, I decreased it to 9%, but I'm at the point where I'm going to have to decrease it again because, as you can see, I already failed twice. We're not even done with the year. 9% goal. It's kind of hard to achieve, and I do not want to force myself to get those, to get that dividend income by investing in high yield stocks versus, the blue chip stocks. So I'll have to look into that. I'll finish out the year of 2019 keeping the 9%, and then I'll figure out a good percentage to move forward. So another reason a couple other reasons that I track and I have a goal of month-to-month dividends is basically one way to get motivated as I track it. I basically track it down until, say, the age of 55. And what do I need to do to retire at the age of 55? The point of, again, retiring, dividends in general is to retire and live off of them. So at what age can I retire and live off this income? So I had to figure out a number, how much I can increase it month to month. And basically that's my goal. So that's the reason I track it month to month. And so one of the reasons, again, was where can I be in the long term? Yes, I know this is chump change, $58, but down the road, this can be some serious money. So, and I have to basically estimate, how much I think I can increase it month to month, year to year, etc. And, looking ahead, what age can I retire based on that? So that's one of the reasons I do it. I mean, another reason is it's motivation. Having a goal month to month is good rather versus year to year, quarter to quarter. You're looking at your portfolio every single month. So you're seeing all of your stocks and how they're performing. So I track, who's paying what month every single month, and I also track the value of the stock and how they're doing, and if I'm getting actual capital appreciation on this stock. So, which will kind of take me into the next part, which hopefully again you can see is the capital. Do we care about capital gains as a dividend investor? Not so much, but yes, I mean. Dividend increases are very important. Capital gain obviously makes you feel good about yourself. It means the company's doing well. It means people believe in the company. Obviously, the market believes in the company. So you don't want your capital to just keep on depreciating. You want it to, gradually go up, or go up fast. As long as it's going up, I mean, that's the direction you want to be headed. So if you notice you're investing in stocks that pay dividends, when whether or not they're increasing it is besides the point. But if that capital keeps going down, that could be trouble. There could be they could be booted off the New York Stock Exchange. They could have to do a reverse split, things like that. So you want the company to do well. You want the market to believe in the company. You want the capital to go up. Because in the end, that's your portfolio value. You're not selling the stocks as a dividend investor, but you never know. If you needed to, it helps to have it available. Anyway, capital. How much do I have invested? I invested myself for August $13,098.75 out of pocket. The value of the stock as of today, $14,305.94. So that's capital appreciation of $1,207.19. So yes, that's pretty good, not bad. Yes, we don't care, but we do care. We do and we don't, right? Anyway, what are the contributing factors of these gains? Starbucks, my biggest gain is $250.38. That's, again, that's all capital gains. I'm not selling the stock, but I'm just looking at how much it's gone up since I've invested in it. AAPL, Apple, the tech company, obviously, iPhone, etc. I made $172.76 capital. Again, I didn't really make it. It's just that's how much the stock went up. You don't make the money till you sell the stock. And as a dividend investor, you're more or less probably not going to sell the stocks you're getting into unless they're starting to tank and they're headed the wrong way. You don't like management, etc. Anyway, next one, MDT, which is it's a medical device company. I gained $149.60. I like that one. No one talks about that stock. It's called Medtronic. Check it out if you're interested. KO, everyone knows this stock. Coca-Cola, $124.41 it went up. So those are the four major contributors for my gains. Who brought me down though? 3M. MMM, ticker symbol. They brought me down $117.30. I mean, I bought into the stock and almost $200, and it's been tanking ever since. I still believe in the company, and I'm still buying this when I can. It's expensive stock, but right now I'm down in capital. Do I care? Not really. Actually, I'm enjoying buying this at a cheaper value because that means the starting yield is even better than it was when I first got into it. Another stock that brought me down, one of my more recent purchases, is Pets, ticker symbol PETS, 1-800-PET-MEDS. I mentioned it before over here as the August payment, but I'm down $84.90. Again, I bought this stock at a bad time, and it's had bad earnings ever since. I still like the company. They sell pet meds, and they're the biggest online pharmacy for pets. And the market is big, and it's big enough for them to continue to grow. From what I'm reading, they're going to turn things around. They're going to advertise a lot more. So let's all root for pets. I also use pets, for my dog's pet meds. So that's how I kind of got into them in general. So yeah, this is my August 2019 portfolio update. Again, my portfolio, it's a dividend. It's all dividend paying stocks. Not one stock in my portfolio does not pay a dividend. So as of right now, my only focus is to invest in dividend paying stocks. Why? Because I want passive income and I want to live off this income. So for now, what am I doing? I'm buying stocks that pay dividends. I'm setting a monthly goal, which again is based on an increase from the prior month, and so on and so forth. I'm putting new money into the portfolio every 2 weeks, and I'm also putting the dividends that I'm making into the portfolio. I use Robinhood. They do not offer the drip option, which I do not care because to me, drip, I mean, it's not all it's cracked up to be. If you're busy and you have a huge portfolio and you believe in all the companies, regardless, you'll buy it, you're going to buy into them anyway, fine, get the drip. Set the drip method, just keep reinvesting. But for me, again, as I mentioned, I put new money into my portfolio every 2 weeks. So when I put new money into my portfolio, I use that money on top of the dividends I've made over those 2 weeks, and I'm buying new stocks. And what stocks am I buying is dependent on, again, the goal. Did I already achieve my goal for the month? Or what stocks are on discount? Things like that. So it's nothing really straightforward. Sometimes I do make new positions, although I do not try to. It happens. Obviously AbbVie, who expected that? So, I mean, that's basically it. I figured I'd try something new and just give you guys a status of my portfolio, where I'm at for August 2019. My year-end goal was to make $100 a month in dividends. I'm probably going to become short of that and probably going to be around $80 to $90. So, patience. don't go crazy and invest in stocks that just pay high yield, because believe me, you'll probably lose your money. Also, I am not a financial advisor. I invest, these are the stocks I invest in. So this video is for fun and entertainment. So please do your own research or seek a financial advisor before you get into, this whole dividend portfolio mess. Believe me, it's fun though. I love it. So I hope you guys enjoyed the video, and click a like, click subscribe, click the notification, leave a comment, all that fun stuff. Again, I'm a new channel. Any little bit helps. All right, thanks for watching. Later.